In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Valorant's error code, VAN185. This usually happens when Riot Vanguard Valorant's anti-cheat isn't running properly or got corrupted. First, let's try the simplest fix. Close Valorant completely, then press Ctrl Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look for any processes named Riot Vanguard and end them. After that, restart your PC and launch Valorant again. Sometimes a fresh restart is all it takes. If that didn't work, the next step is to reinstall Vanguard. Here's how. Press Windows plus R, then type appwiz.cpl and press enter. Find Riot Vanguard in the list, then right-click and uninstall it. Restart your computer. Open Valorant again. It will automatically reinstall Vanguard for you. Valorant now requires Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 enabled on Windows 11. To check this, restart your PC, enter your BIOS or UEFI settings, and make sure Secure Boot is turned on. Save changes, reboot, and try running Valorant again. Step 5. Finally, make sure your Windows is up to date and your graphics driver are the latest version. Outdated system files can also trigger this error. If you still have the issue, submit the ticket to the right support so they can check your system logs.